Once again, Milan AI Trading has been working to achieve this amazing strategy of trend following strategy, which you can see on the screen. You can see the open position that is following the trend right here, and this is the best strategy ever. Now, this is the result and the history of the trading we have been gained for the past 5 trading days, which you can see with the tiny deposit of $500. The robot has made over $3,087 in 5 trading days, which you can see clear on the screen right here. Now, every parameter that you see here was tested, every drawdown analyzed, and which every strategy refined. So we push a limit of this trading robot, a robot that can survive the market even in the toughest condition. Now that you can see on the history, you can see it clear that we didn't want a fast profit, which you can see on the screen. We want a safe profit. We ran simulation across 10 years of market data, and now we are approaching 2026. Coming back to the chart, we had something different right here on the chart. The difference is the robot is not a random EA right now, not a gambler, but a system shaped by discipline, consistency, and AI precision. A robot that trades like a professional, avoiding traps and protect your money. Here is where you can see the robot working live, which you can see low drawdown, clean entries. This is what consistency looks like, which you can see right here. Now that I can boldly tell you that we didn't build this overnight, we built this with effort and sacrifice, and a passion to change how Forex is traded. Welcome to the new era, Milan AI 2026, the robot that refuses to burn an account. Just imagine you have what it takes to make $3,000 every week. If you are really interested to trade with our community with this trading AI, kindly reach out to us on Telegram. The link is on the description of this video. And if today is the first time you come across this video, kindly smash the subscribe button on this channel. Turn on the notification so that whenever a new update is being dropped, you will be the first to get it. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.